Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So it's Emma says, in today's video. So basically, this is for beginners. I'll just be trying to take you through the home tab. Basically, the home tab. So this is our table. Uh, Basically, this is the home tab. When you're well versed with interacting with this, that means even in Microsoft Word, you can easily operate that. I'll be explaining just a few of these terms. We can start. We shall be using this data as our tool to learn. So we can start with this. So under the clipboard, so we have the cut, the copy. This is the format printer. Then we have the paste. Now the paste comes in after you copy. For example, if I right click and copy, you see that the paste will come. If I click here and I can come here, I paste. So basically that is it. So that is then uh, copying is more of like you are duplicating. You are duplicating. Then once we cut, for example, cutting, we are just as the word itself, we are removing or extracting the whole thing from its original location. So we move it out. It's more of like you are dragging, but it's just cutting. You cut it out. Basically, that is it. Then the printer format printer, that one, select the content that the formatting you like, then click on the printer brush, then somewhere else to automatically apply the same formatting. Okay, let me try to demonstrate it here. Now this, when you try to look at this, it's bold. Let me add let me add another color, which is this. So for example, if I choose to type Emma here, you see how it would look? Yes. Then if we are to use this format printer, I click on the cell, then come and click on it. Then I come and I click where I want to type. So technically, it has to give me the same. It's more of like it is a count. Just tutorial. You just take it like it counterfeits the format of a particular uh, document or file. Basically, that is it. So when we move to the format, the font, for the font, this is the font. I think you have ever seen this. I can try to demonstrate with this that you notice that there is a change in the text. Now this is the font. This is the font. Then from the font we have the font size. You may be interested in this. You see how the size increases as the font size. Then we have the bold. If you notice it darkens. This is the bold. You can italize, make it italic. You can underline, so you can even double underline. Yeah, so before we go further, we have the undo button here. In case this is the save, this is the undo button. Then once we come here, this is a highlighter or a fill color. For example, you may be interested in only this. So once you highlight, it's a highlight basically, or it's a fill color. So basically that is it. Then the next one, let me select this. This one, this is the font color. You can choose the color for the font. Okay, that's it. Then these ones adjust or they increase the font size. If you don't want to use this, you can use this. You see they increase the size of the document. Then this one reduces. Then this we move to the alignment part. Basically, I'm just running through this. The alignment. Let me use this. If you try to notice this, this is name. It's in the middle. So why is it in the middle? It's because it's middle. It's mid aligned. can put it down, put it here, or extremely high. Depends on the type of document you're working with. Then when you move to these ones do the left align, center, then right align. Basically, that is it. Then these are index or the decrease or increase index. You see what they do? That is it. Then we have these ones for alignment or right, they rotate text maybe basically. So you can format the alignment, you make this text to 45, 44. So that is how they would look. So basically that is it. Then we have the one we call drop text. For example, let me try to demonstrate it here. When you try to notice that this is Manchester United from here, but because is the cell size or the cell length is not enough to fit these words inside, so it will try to cut them off. That doesn't mean the words are not there, but it will try to fit what it can in the cell. So what we usually do, just click on this cell, then you come and wrap text. So the cell will automatically fit inside. So that's what you do basically. This is what you okay, this one fits inside properly. If you if this, yeah, basically that is it. That is the wrap text. Then center and merge. For example, I'm told to give this a name birthday data. That's the title. But I want this to fit up to here. Okay, the whole of this to be one, so it merges. It gets all these cells and makes them one cell. Then you can adjust the font and you bold, then you change the format. Basically, that is it. So that's then we move to the number format. I try to look at the number format. For example, if this is age, if you want to look at it in decimal places, you can add or remove commas if you need them. Add. These are percentages, and this is currency. Under this, you'll find more items. So conditional formatting, I've talked about it a lot in our previous videos. So when you look at this is format as a table, you can select the whole of this, then you just click on this. It makes it a table if you really want. But me, my shortcut is usually Control T. Then you make it a table. Basically, that is it. Control T. Then these are styles you can adapt if you want. Then inserting, for example, you want to insert a row in between these two. Yeah, just have to see how you do it. Basically, that is it. Removing this highlight, you just come back here. Then you do not fill. Basically, you put another entry. Then if you want to delete this row, you click on it. Then you delete it. Go. Then you can also format the row width or height. Yeah, basically that is it. Then this is auto sum. For example, if you select the whole of this, you can click auto sum. It will calculate for you the sum. Basically, that is it. That is what it does. So if you try to notice, Microsoft Excel at beginner level is not really tricky. It's the basic knowledge you use even working with all these other Microsoft packages. Yeah, so then this is sort and filter. For example, you may be interested in custom sort. We usually use this. I'll be sorting them according to their age. Okay, I need to make a good selection. Select the whole of it. Come to custom sort. Then we can sort them by yes. Then I want from largest to smallest. So you notice that it will try to, yeah, it will try to sort them according to the goals, according to the years where this is the oldest, yeah, up to the youngest. Then it can create a PDF from this work, then it can also share. Basically, that is what the home tab encompasses. And it's not really tricky. This one you can teach yourself by, it's all about practice. As you type data, you just learn to navigate and use it properly. But besides that, there's nothing I can add on this video. Maybe these ones, these are more comprehensive summaries too. These ones, so they do the same thing. These ones, whatever you see here is always there. So basically, that is it for now. Yeah, thank you.